How to reply to notes on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reply to notes on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the messaging icon which can be seen in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the DM section at the top, you'll see multiple notes from your friends. Now there you can just tap on the note which you want to reply, and here you can just type anything that you want to send to that particular person through their note. And here once you're done doing that, you can just tap on send button, and that's it. That's how you can reply to notes on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.